share. I want you to invite people. I want you to invite your friends. I have something to talk about. We never always they get what you want to talk about. You understand? I know say as we did, no true people not too like the truth, but the truth to me go dey talk am. So anyway, say go fit help you. So if you say you no want am, no problem. That person want am. But na Meredith and I talk the talk. Na him get the show. Share, invite people, invite your friends. The second time I'm coming out for today, and I want us to talk about this issue. It's very, very important. I want to talk about all those married women now. So at least it's good to say the truth. Eh? Share. I'm expecting people to be coming in. If you don't enter, invite your friend. Make that your friend make you still invite another person. You understand? Share. I'm expecting people to start coming in. I'm expecting people. But I know say people the way they feel say wetin dem dey talk sometimes e no dey important. E dey important. E dey well for the help lives. E dey well for the help relationship. E dey well for the help marriage. You understand? So yeah, if you know dey important to you, maybe the person wey you go invite in go important for the person. You understand? Share. I no want to dey line like that dey say share. I just want make una help me dey share am. My fans, all of una dey. Make una enter, make una dey invite people in. Make we talk about, at least we get other ones to talk about. So we have to talk about it. At least we go dey treat them one by one. You understand? So my people, I greet una. Now well done. Na me, I come make I come follow una talk another issue today. Because today now, where we just dey now, I want to talk about all those married women. Understand? Because it gets some kind of attitude based on married women they possess for people. Not the reason now say because of say your husband no get house, because you don't build house. Now your husband may be your rag. You no even let am go outside say you wan go follow his friend enjoy, or may go follow the stroll. You monitor, if you enter inside house, you smell check. You won't even know what you go do for outside. A very wrong thing. Not be to build a house, not be with the problem. The way you maintain your house, your inside, na it important pass. Wetin be the happiness wey dey talk for the marriage or for the relationship? Now your attitude, peace wey you give your husband, na dey important pass. And dey look some women now go dey carry on her husband phone if you don dey sleep. You don't check whether person write a message, whether woman send a message. Wetin concern you? If you even get girlfriend sef, wetin concern you? Fine, no be say I dey support them, but you wey be the particular woman, you no know say na heart attack you wan give yourself. Because man wey even responsible sef, you no even suppose go dey get girlfriend for outside. You wey dey inside suppose reach am as im wife, suppose value. But if assuming say things can't even be like this, what you suppose do? You no need to go dey check your husband phone. Some evil women una don use bad things for una marriage. Wey be say una husband because say una get paper, maybe the man no get, the man don talk to rag for where una dey. The man no fit go anywhere. The man no fit get friend. The man no fit even talk for where you dey. If you even talk for where your friends dey, say they even dey laugh the man because of the attitude of his wife. When you put on rotation, shut up, people, your husband, your wife, they use any people they talk, not they talk. At least all those things are bad. Women, I beg, make una get good attitude. No, una see, people they will get mansion. Now the women, now the woman that get the glory, now you get the money. But him and the husband, they still get, they don't get the money out of two of them. But Europe, many way they this Europe, the one that they live on our life. I don't know the 2 flat one I build or the 4 flat one I build. Go one side for don't even for say if person no hear word. Now don't turn many men for here to rag. Many. Some of them don't even know themselves again. Now na bonding. No be una bonding. You get the fine, na your husband, no problem, but at least if you wan still do something, still dey think am small say wetin I wan do, so how e go resolve to. Na im make many men dey carry bag dey run leave their wife for here o. Dem just go another country go dey live another life like say dem be spirit, like say dem never even first marry before, whereas dem get children, dem get family, because of the attitude of the women. Men dey need peace. Some girls just dey dem feel say all dis thing wey dem get for their body na im man just like. No be that one man need o. Man dey need peace. Peace. Some women dey, dem no know wetin dem dey call respect. Respect no dey their dictionary. Dem dey insult men anyhow. Dem dey insult their husband or their boyfriend. Dem dey insult them, dem dey talk to them anyhow. No simple respect at all. But at least no una still know say maturedness e start from, una know where for start? From your attitude. Because if this respect wey dey talk so, if we no get am, man go run leave you for here. That one wey dey outside wey you dey pursue am from im body, then you go go meet, because na that one dey give am the peace. That peace wey you no fit give am, the one wey dey outside, as far as that one dey give am the peace, na there dem go go dey stay. Abeg women, I use God beg una. All those pride, some women dey because of pride, they don take their husband to sleepers for his house. No, other people go even dey see am sef, no good. Anything wey you get, you build or you no build, anything you do am for yourself. But at least respect your husband, give am that peace. I know say some men dey, their head no dey accept that peace, their head no good for it. But at least first make the peace for yourself first, before hypertension go come kill you because of the man. No be say when the man go dey baff, you wan go carry him phone, you wan go dey look at that woman send am message. If say woman send am message, wetin concern you? You say if you see say woman write, say your husband message or you send your boyfriend message, for example, if you see your mind go sweet. Your mind no go sweet o. All those kind early grave wey women dey send their self because of girlfriend wey your husband put for outside, na early grave na una dey send una self. If I be una, no dey look all those things. E no concern me o. Honestly, no be say I no love, see, no be say I no love my husband, but the truth na say if woman marry and your husband dey do all those kind things, everything get time. Some people dey, dem no dey fit change, some dey, dem dey fit change. But if e be say you no fit change, no be the one you go dey stress yourself for all those kind things. Because if not, if you die, you go go marry another woman instantly. You no go even take am. If e too tey say na 1 year, if e too love you. But wetin I dey wan try talk about, the way some women take dey treat some men, dem dey say men no good, men no good, men this one, men that one. Fine, but women, una character, the way una take dey do, the way una take dey live una life for Europe here, even for Nigeria, some women just dey sef. Man no even follow dem there because of 1-2 bungalow wey dem build. Only dem na dey stay for the house. Dem say dem no need men, dem even wan carry the man, the man carry dem go hotel. E dey happen. Man, God no say make woman come life, make come live a life. Man, God say surely woman must dey with man together to take get better life to live. Why e come be say women, wetin dey even dey make me dey talk this topic na because of the way some women take dey treat their husband for Europe. They no dey treat man like that. Abeg, I use God beg una, make una change una dirty character. E no good. Wetin? Especially all those small ones dey go dey look. Una dey go dey look una husband phone. If na husband dey receive call, una go dey hide, dey lis ten. Who dey kill sef? Na you dey kill yourself. Na you. E get some kind thing wey you go even see sef, you go throw away face. No be say blood no dey your body, blood dey, but you go do like say you no see am. Why? Because all those kind things dey bring heart attack to women life. My husband dey carry another woman for outside o. My husband dey carry woman for outside. Before you know, you go dey take medicine. If you go hospital, say your BP is too high, madam. Madam, your BP is too high. You go cause it to yourself. Before you know, they go dey give you BP medicine to take dey control yourself. E no good. Make una no dey look una husband phone. Make una no dey look their phone. If dem come as now dey baff, dem wear shirt, say dem wan go leave am make dey go. Dem no be una slave. Dem no be una slave. Dem no come wash cloth or plate follow una. Because I don see the way many women don change many men life for Europe here. Dem no dey even dey remove. Dem no even dey, in fact, dem no dey even dey remember their self again. All these things wey we dey talk house na nothing. So abeg women, Men need peace. The way we too dey cry say we need peace, na so we want better thing, na so we want this one. Men too dey need all those things wey we dey talk say we need. Men dey deserve am too. They need peace. No be say your husband go enter house, you go dey follow am dey fight, go dey follow am dey quarrel, you go dey squeeze. If you look your face 2 times, your face be like bitter leaf, you go just wear shirt, you go comot, you go go stay outside with your friend. You go dey there like man wey no get house. If you get family, but your attitude no let am enter house. Man close, he go work this morning, if he dey come by, he go come think am say, hey, I wan still go meet this woman for house with his bad character. You go go one beer parlour, go go sit down there till time wey sleep go don change. You go don even sleep before you go enter house. That kind thing na good thing. Na when you go don even sleep, na you go enter house. As you go enter house, you go just push shirt, you go sleep, take break or quick bath, because you no want me even see you in the morning. Food wey you do, breakfast, you go dey dining for there. Nobody go chop am. Women more the reason, be human being, but wetin I dey talk so. I know say some people now, dem say wetin she dey talk, because you get that kind, anybody wey say wetin she dey talk, let me say you get that kind character, make you change. No be when woman don marry, no be dey get hot body. If you still young, you never even marry, that one na different. You see when you don marry, you say your body dey hot, you dey follow your husband, dey smell his shoe like say you be eagle, you be dog, dey smell his shoe, dey smell his shirt. Whether woman follow am, attack go just kill you for nothing. So abeg my women, more una change una lifestyle, because person no dey live like that. You understand? I know say I dey harsh for this program why I do so, but na just to take advice my women. Make una take things easy. Men no be people wey dey run follow like that. Say, where are you coming from? Where did you go to? Your shirt is smelling woman's perfume. E no go because of you greet woman say because say married woman put for house. Some women sha, your shirt is smelling woman perfume. Abeg my women, I use God beg una. Make una remove fire from make una remove wood small from the fire wey una set, so that things go work out for una marriage. I use God beg una. No be una start to dey marry. Abeg, home and abroad, na dey talk this issue. Because some kind character wey women dey exhibit, na make many marriage house spoil. Because una no dey let the men get peace. And man dey do one thing. Some many men dey no like woman wey dey do anyhow. Once they just enter house, they drop back, they see your face. E no men no go bath. That shirt wey you wear, connect go take comot. You go sleep for another person house wey go forget peace. Fit be say na that girl house na dey go. You go carry car. Some women dey carry car follow their husband, or they trace the man dey go. Why? Abeg una change, my people. May we dey bad love all of una. Abeg una change. I know when I dey talk so now, I dey talk God. I don see many things like that. Let me dey talk about am, and the things still dey happen. Man go get house, he go sleep hotel because he marry giants. His wife na gorilla. Every time he wan fight. No be say he wan useless the money, but because of say his wife dey fight am every time, that man have to go and sleep in the hotel. He go rent where he go sleep. No good. Abeg more na change. You understand? Your character no go for instance. One small girl go collect am for your hand for outside. That girl wey just dey read the message every time, then go still collect am later. So abeg more na change una lifestyle. Get wetin person dey do, to do something you no favour you, you need to change. You know, you need to change so that the thing go come good. When your husband see say you don go good, na him go even tell you say, wetin happen? My wife, you change o. But say you continue to dey do all those things, you no work o. I know say some men deaf o, but women, abeg, make we still change our lifestyle. Make we still look on our own. Make we still look our own path before we take dey do things. Men no dey who they dey clean their cloth, dey look their phone. Don't be doing all those things. No, e no good. No dey look your husband phone. No dey look who write message come. Okay, your husband wan go baff, e dey battery, dey quick check phone. E no good na. So abeg, una dey learn. Una dey watch all these programs so that una fit dey get experience from other people. At least from wetin I still dey advise una, so una fit still take experience, fit still get experience wey go fit still help you tomorrow. You understand? So I greet everybody. Una well done, my people. And me, maybe I watch Igbota.